Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate HubSpot with Facebook ads. We are going to do this with Zapier, so first go to zapier.com and log in with your account. And on the left side you can see create Zap, click on there and let's select our trigger. So our trigger will be Facebook lead ads and our event will be new lead. Connect with your Facebook account and choose your page. So I'm just going to choose my page and click on continue. And I'm going to skip this test for now. Click continue. And then let's select our action. So our action will be HubSpot. And let's select our event. Our event will be new contact in list. Click on continue and then fill in the details. After all that, just click continue and let's skip our test for now. And then all you have to do is publish this app and you'll be able to integrate HubSpot with Facebook ads. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one.